Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing well. This is the Total OS Today Technology channel. Total technology for beginners and beyond, or TOS Today. I am your host, Carmine. Good old Italian name. Anyway, I have some tips for you for some of the best podcasts that I've heard coming from a Windows user like myself, a Windows Linux dual booter. Anyway, this one's been around a while. Check out the Ubuntu podcast. It says here S10, which is season 10. They have been doing this 10 years. Wow, congratulations to the team at Ubuntu podcast. One thing I've noticed, one of the personalities of the show is Martin Wimpress. And if you don't know Martin, he is the creator of the terrific, in my opinion, Linux gold standard for beginners, the creator of Ubuntu Mate. So you may want to listen to some of these podcasts. Here's another one I listened to for quite a while, Mintcast, the podcast by the Linux Mint community for all users of Linux. This one has been around a few years also. These here, at least this one, they record this live every couple weeks or so. The next one looks like it's scheduled for 2 p.m. 2 p.m. looks like Central Time. So check out Mintcast. Here's one that is fairly new. This is called Destination Linux. This is also on YouTube, by the way. And they don't quite have a lot of podcasts yet, maybe 10, maybe less. But check out Destination Linux. This is one I also enjoy listening to when I have the time. And last but not least, something called the Sunday Morning Linux Review. This one I believe is based out of Detroit. So take a listen to this. Now, one thing about these podcasts, I've yet to find one that is truly designed strictly for beginners. I haven't really found one yet. I'm sure it's out there, but if you guys can find me one or know of one, I'll be happy to post that in the links below. But for now, if you are a Linux fan, check out Ubuntu Podcast, Mintcast, Destination Linux, and the Sunday Morning Linux Review. And finally, my very first video podcast with singer-songwriter Stephanie Forian. Stephanie is an independent artist from the States. She currently works in Munich, Germany. So if you wanted to have a few laughs and dig into the life of a singer-songwriter somewhat, this podcast is fairly short. I like to keep the podcast length 30 minutes or less. But check out this one. And I'm going to share you guys a little secret, as it were. I was able, I think, to convince Stephanie to do a concert for us, a live concert here on YouTube, assuming we can get our schedules and time zones to match. She is, I believe, 6 hours ahead of me. But I was able to convince her, and I think I was anyway, but we'll have to do some microphone tests and bandwidth testing. Where she's at, I believe her bandwidth may not be up to par. But if you want to take a listen to a live event, a free concert, I'm so excited about this. Stay tuned. But I'm going to need your help. So first of all, stay tuned to the channel for that announcement. And number two, I have a goal of getting to 10,000 subscribers or more relatively soon, so we can go into what's called the Super Chat, the new Super Chat live stream feature here on YouTube. I believe that YouTube feature is an excellent tool to help support the channel, and many YouTubers are using it, but you need at least 10,000 subs or more. So I definitely need your help, and actually Stephanie needs help too in subscribers also. Now, of course, you can always support us through Patreon or PayPal or Amazon links, or however you want to support your favorite YouTube personalities. And finally, don't forget to vote for the March 2017 YouTuber of the Month. Those of you who vote for me, thank you. It's greatly appreciated. But this really isn't about me. This is about finding new talent, such as Stephanie Forian. So if you want to help me, just subscribe if you haven't, share their channel, like it, donate if you can. But yeah, so don't forget to vote for this month's YouTuber of the month. Well, that's all I have for. Oh, one last thing. Someone asked me to take a look at Makulu Linux. I forget who that was. I tried to go to the website to download the ISO, and it's like 10 hours for a download. So I'm not sure what's going on with that, but I will keep trying. I haven't forgotten. I try to honor as many requests as I can. All right, well, that's it for this one. Hope you guys are doing well. Be safe. Please don't text and drive, and I'll catch you guys later. Take care.